Hello everyone and welcome back. You asked Chao, so we deliver. Some of you have asked me that you sometimes need to only cook a certain portion of your tapioca pearls. In a previous video, I did say to you that you must cook all of it because if you don't, the rest will be unusable. Now, there is a technique on how you can cook only half your tapioca pearls, and that's what I'm going to show you today. And as usual, we need some of this equipment. We need a whisk. This time I'm using only a small whisk because we're only going to make half a kilogram. We need a strainer, and I'm going to use 2 large bowls to wash my tapioca pearls later. Now, another question that you have asked me is why is it that my tapioca pearls turn out to be hard and sometimes not soft and chewy? The technique to that is how much water you use to boil your tapioca pearls. The recommendation that I would give you on this one is to make sure that when you boil your tapioca pearls, use enough water. Normally, I would recommend 1:8 to 10. That means if you're cooking 1 kilogram of tapioca pearls, use 8 liters of water up to 10 liters of water. Tapioca pearls, it absorbs water, so it needs room to grow. So again, the recommendation would be to use about 8 to 10 times your tapioca pearls. For this purpose, because we are going to cook only half a kilogram, I am going to use 5 liters of water. So I've started boiling the water here. So I'm going to now pour our tapioca pearls. Now have a look at this one. I'm going to cut this open. And then once this is open, it will start to disintegrate. So I'm going to take half of these. Half, and make sure that you immediately give it a stir so that they don't stick together. Okay, once they have physically separated, you can stop stirring for a bit. And now let's look at our leftover tapioca pearl. Make sure that you don't have any air there. Just fold it up, and I usually just use rubber band to just make sure they're tightly packed again. So use 2 rubber bands, and this one should be okay to cook again the next time around. We're going to boil it for 30 minutes, so I'm going to set the timer because it's now been there for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to set the timer for about 30 minutes, 28 minutes, and just leave it for 30 minutes. Give it a stir once in a while, but you don't have to keep stirring it all the time. Now once it starts boiling, you can turn the heat to medium. And you can put the lid on. 13 seconds on the clock. We can now prepare to turn off the heat. Be careful, the lid is very hot. Let's have a look. Okay, time is up. We can turn off the heat. Stop our timer. And wait for 20 minutes for it to cool down or cook in its own heat. So you can either leave the lid off or you can put the lid slightly open. The reason why you do that is you don't want it to cook too much. It will be too soft. 20 minutes is over. We're going to rinse our tapioca pearls. Bring it over to the sink. This time I'm going to change the process a little bit. I'm not going to rinse it twice, but I would like it to stay a little bit warm because I would like to make brown sugar tapioca pearls. Use a wok large enough, and we're going to put our brown sugar here, just a little bit. Soft and chewy. Perfect. If you want to see more of these videos, click that subscribe button below and also click the notification bell so that you see each time I publish a video. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.